Hi everybody. Just thought I'd do a quick live. I've got a box. Excitement. It's fun unboxing. Just got to go find my video so I can see things. Oh, things aren't going the way I want them to. Nothing unusual here. Oh dear. Just got to get it going on the computer. For some reason it's not going to my live. Okay, let's try that. Yeah, there we go. Yay. Yay, I like to have that open so I can see comments or anything. So I'm Fiona Fernandez in Pyrmont, and I'm an independent Stampin Up demonstrator, among other things. But that's what I'm doing right now, opening my Stampin Up box. I'll just pop that down there. And so the way it works with Stampin Up, when you join as a demonstrator, they give you a discount, and you can also order things early before customers so that you can show customers things. But, you know, you don't have to demonstrate. You can join just for the perks, get the discount on your products, which is a great idea if you're going to buy stuff. And there are not quarterly minimums, of course, but you don't have to stay if you don't want to. You can always join for a little while and leave again. It's up to you, totally up to you. And no locking contracts, which is one thing I really love about it. But I've been around for a while now. And what am I up to? Must be my 7th year. So I've ordered a few things. Now some of these things may not be currently available, but some of them are from the pre-order. So this is the new catalogue. I can't open it. I can show you the cover. That's that. So if you want a new catalogue, please let me know. And these are the detailed wreath accents. I love their accents. There's a lot of accents lately that have gone not available at the moment. So just be aware that on the website, they've got a thing now where you can put your email address in and ask them to let you know when something becomes available, which is really good. I've used it. It's very handy because you don't have to keep looking. You just get an email saying it's available now. So that's another lot of accents. I really like those because they're already cut out. I'll just use them. The Christmas one. What else have we got in here? Whispering Woods Designer Series paper. So every year they have a set of something that gives back. So this is the one, so they give back, I think it's $4.25 per product. So this will be available in September. We're getting pre-order a bit earlier now. So if you wanted to grab these things, the best way is to join if you want them early. Or if you want to wait, that's fine too. Just open that. And so they've changed the join thing as well. So when you join now, it's $175. And you get $240 worth of products. And you get to choose what you want. But you get a coupon now to spend in your first order. So you just join and then you get a coupon. And then you can go and do an order. And you can add on to it. You can get more than the $240, which means you can put other things in your cart. Look at this. Just put that down there. Push my box down a bit. Beautiful papers. I don't know how many, I'm not counting. There's a few different ones in there. They're really pretty. Got some bears, look. Oh, look dear. That's gorgeous. I just love it. So pretty. It's a real watercolour effect. So you get, what's that, 2 or 3 different, might be 3. Some trees. And you've got that paper. Trees at the bottom, and I'm guessing there's trees at the top, but I can't see the other end of the paper. Hang on. Yeah, there's other trees at the top, but same as this. Beautiful paper. I'm just trying not to take it out of the plastic completely. So you've got a few of the same designs there. You've got 12 papers And how many papers did I show you? 3 different designs, was it? You get 4 of each. Yeah, 4 of each. Lovely, beautiful. They'll make some beautiful cards. And you don't have to make Christmas cards out of them. You use them for whatever you like. I'll be using them for some Christmas cards. This one's called, oh, this is so cute. A Little Christmas. This is so gorgeous. Look at this. I love it. I did buy this set. I want the collection of this one. So the other exciting thing about joining now is I can't show you anything. Well, I don't want to show you anything. I'm going to keep it. Stampin' Up's got a little surprise when you join. So I don't want to spoil it and tell people all about that. But if you want to join, just know that there's another little something coming your way. And that's already started. That's from 1st of July. And as a demonstrator, we can get them now. Just for a short time, we can order them. So we know what's in them. Look at that paper. Isn't that cute? Let's see what else is in there. There's a plaid. So that'll go really nice with that folder I used the other night. The embossing folder. Look at them. Oh, they just make you smile. Oh, look at that one. Oh, there's quite a few on that page. Look. I just didn't want to pull them all out. It's hard to get them back in the plastic. It's got a whole lot of pieces you can cut. And you've got your other patterns on the back. So these are all double-sided. And that's, oh, some more. Is that the same plaid? Hang on. Oh no, it's a different one. Look, that one's, oh, it looks very similar, doesn't it? Maybe it is the same. Oh, maybe it's just turned around the other way. You got more plaid. There you go. Little bows. Little mice. Look at them. Oh, look at that. Turn that back around. That's so gorgeous. Little gingerbread cookies. Oh, that's it. That one's got the little, what do you call those? Candy canes. Cans and booze. Now there is another set that has come out recently with bows on it. I didn't order it, but I know there's more stamps and dies with some textured bows in the dies, so they go really nicely to complement that. This is the little, I'll open that. This is the bling that goes with it. Let's have a look at that so you can see what's in that. So these will be available to customers in September or to demonstrators now. So when you're doing pre-order as a demonstrator, you can only order usually one of each thing, depending on what it is. But it tells you when you're ordering that you've reached your orderable thing. And this is the, what do you call that? Ribbon. It's not ribbon, twine. Acres twine. And it's got the 3 colours. That goes with that set as well. What else have we got? I've got some more hot foil. So this is the pink one. I put those stickers the other day. So there. So I have got the hot foil machine, and I watched the class this morning. So if you buy the hot foil, and I believe it's back in, so I'll just check the website in a second. It went out like everybody. I've just read that people in Australia are loving it, and it's sold out. And I think they've got it back in. And if they haven't, just put your name in there, like I said, and put your email. Just hot pink foil, and I've got silver and gold already. I've got to remember where I stored those. Where did I put them? Down there on the desk. I'm going to put that one with them so I remember where they are. And what else have we got in here? This is a little bag. So Stampin' Up do things, incentive stuff for us, which is really nice and rewards us as demonstrators. So they did a Better Your Best for June, and I reached the goal, and we got this lovely little bag if we did that. So this will fit the Stampin' Up positioner tool in it. Here's my positioner tool. Let me find it. Oh, you could put anything in it, but that was one of the purposes of it. Just to fit your little Stampin' positioner tool in. Look. So that's pretty cool. And I believe someone said it fits the hot foil machine as well, but I'll keep my hot foil machine in the box. We'll just have a look though while we've got it out. Yeah, I've kept mine in this box that it came in. I'm keeping my hot foil dies in there. Let's just have a look there. Does that all fit? I'm not sure if it will fit. I think it's just a little bit big. Yeah, I won't be keeping that one there. I wanted to see if it did fit. Yeah. Find the other things in my under the desk. Mine fits in the box under my desk, which is fantastic. So that's really cool. Just a little zipper pouch. So congratulations to anyone else that earned these as well. And I've bought some more stuff in my hot foiling. Flourish in Frames hot foil dies. Now I'll just go and check the website. What's going on over there? Get rid of that. Just go and find another screen. So if you've got any questions about any of this, I'm in Australia, so you can order or join with me in Australia. If you're in Australia, can't join across other countries. So let me find the website. We'll just go and see if the hot foil thing is available. Hot foil. Let me tell you. Okay. Just looking for the machine in the list of things. It says currently unavailable at the moment for the machine. There's Stampin' Hot Foil System and the craft class. It's currently unavailable, but you can put your email in there, and it is coming out. It should be out by September. It just was very popular, but these are some of the dies you can get. So they come they look different inside to the other dies because they're a different shape. They're a bit flatter. Let's see what's in this one. So this is the cutting die. See the edges on that? And that's the hot foiling die. You see the edges on it? It's not as shiny either, so you know if you're looking at one, let's see how shiny the other one is. It's dull. The hot foil ones are dull. That looks like a nice set. There's the fun coming up. This one gives us, I think this one's just the dies that are those, so let's have a look at that. Yeah, that one's just got the one packet. Look at the texture on that. I like this one. That sort of coordinates nicely with another one. Oh, out of beautiful gallery. This is what I love about Stampin' Up. They coordinate things across sets. So if you've got something that might have retired, but then it coordinates with something else. You know, so you can build on it. I really like that. Now this is the dies, and where's the stamps? With a little knife. Oh, hang on, we'll get to that. Get to that. I'll get to that. So these are the little Christmas mice. Oh, they're cute. They're so gorgeous. And I really like the Merry Christmas in it. Let's see what size they are. Sometimes they're the same size as the packet, and sometimes they're a little bit bigger, or usually a little bit bigger or smaller. So, yeah, see, they're a little bit bigger than what's on the packet. Nice size. I really like that Merry Christmas. So I make a lot of Christmas cards. Put that back in there. And then you've got the dies. Little box. Oh, look at that. Cute. these because I just want to try them out. Festive Flex Mix and Match card envelopes. And there's other things you can get in the Mix and Match range and that you can use with these or with any envelopes, but you can use them with these. But I thought they'd go nicely with the trees as well and other things I already have in my stash. So that's why I bought them. So they have 10 cards and 10 envelopes in there. That's good. And yeah, just check the website for prices and things. So if you go to the FionaFernandez.stampinup.net and click on shop now, you'll see the prices. You can go into the shop and look at all the... Now, some of these things are not there at the moment, don't forget. They're not coming out yet. The hot foil stuff is there now, but not the other things. Now, this one goes with both frames. What does that go? Oh, maybe that goes with the frames. These frames here. These are the stamps to go with this. And I had to get it because it's got a bee on it. And my team's called the Busy Bee. So I thought, I've got to have a bee. Anything they bring out with a bee on it. I always get it. And I'm like, I've got to have that. Look, I've got on my chamois. I've stamped little bees, see? So when we're in classes, I know they're mine because I stamp my little bees on them. And my name. So that's really nice like that. Have a bit of fun. I'm busy tomorrow though. I'll be at the Denison Midway Market tomorrow. So I'll have some retired products for sale at the Midway Market tomorrow. So there's another, what's that one? Echoes of Details. I think that's just a stamp set that's coming out. I like that too, all this detail. And see, that sort of goes with that other die I just had in my hand. This one, the hot foiling one. You could use that together. Oh, sorry. It is a set. Of course you can use it together. Look, it's a bundle. Echoes of Detail. It's good because they've made the names the same now on the bundles. So we know what goes together. But because I pulled it out separately, I was thinking it was another one out of the new stuff. But it does match that. That's why. Okay. This is cute. So this is a pre-order thing. It's not out yet, but look at that. Some joyful friends. And we've got little animals, Australian animals. Yay. So they're cute. They'll make some cute Christmas cards and softly woven 3D embossing folder. Let's pull that out. That's all I've got in a box. And that one looks like that. That's very fine. Oh, very nice. Mighty so that's my unboxing for today, and I do my lives on Wednesday night. I've missed them occasionally, but most weeks I'm live, so you can catch me there playing with all my Stampin' Up things and making cards. You'll have to pick something for next week. I usually pick about 5 minutes before I start, and then we just get on with it. So I'll just pop my little name thing back there. And if you'd like to order with me, let me know. I'll just shop and make sure you've got my name in there as your demonstrator. That'll be wonderful. Okay, I'll catch you next time. Ciao.